Hello. So if you keep forgetting the number that is linked to your email address, this is how you find it out. This is my email. I'll go ahead and open it here. So once you open your email address, just click up here, and then here you will see a list of the email addresses, email accounts you have rather. So if just make sure it's the right email that you want to check, and check the name up there to confirm. Once you confirm it's the right email, you go ahead and click on Google account. And when this opens, there are a bunch of options here, but for the number that we're looking for, just click on personal info. Click here, personal info, and then scroll down a little bit. There you would see your date of birth, and then your gender, the contact email, that is the backup email you want to recover your email if it is lost, and then here you have the number. I just kind of blurred it out. So the next thing we do will be on how to do the same thing on your laptop, on your PC. So just make sure you go to the Chrome browser, and then make sure that your email is already signed in. So once your email is signed in, just open a fresh tab without anything, and then click here. So you see after this button here, or this dotted, and then click here. And once you click here, this will appear. You will now click on manage your account, your Google account. Click on there. So once this opens, you would see home, personal info, and security, whatever. But for what we do, we just click on personal info, and then scroll down. You still see the name, which you can change, the age, and the every other thing. Then the phone number here, you change it. All right, so if you found this video interesting and want to learn things like this, do make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you posted for more content like this. Thank you. My name is Stanley Chima.